Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube last recording failed error. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, this is a primary or a problem primarily related to storage. And all you need to do to fix this problem is to make sure that to have enough storage for your reels or for shorts. So basically for that, first thing we will do is just to go to the app info. You can either go to the settings and search for the YouTube, or you can just hold on, click, and then go to the app info. And basically from here, you will find already the storage. And all you need to do is just to clear first the cache. And if you want, you can also clear the storage. And basically that would also clear your downloads and everything related to your YouTube application. If the problem persists, just free a little bit more storage by either clearing the storage or you can. If the problem still persists, you will need just to check if there is any update for your app. So you can just go to the Play Store and search for your YouTube application and see if it's the newest update or if there is any updates button here. Also, make sure that the problem isn't repeated, and if it was just once or something, it might just have been some internet problem or some unstable internet connection. So basically, after you have all these fixes, you can simply go again to your YouTube app and start creating your own shorts, and you can uh, let's just click on start over, and you can start having your content that will be weekend, etc. So thank you for watching and see you next time.